A good system replaces 1,000 decisions. The best hospitality teams don't wing it. They don't just rely on memory, mood, or magic. They run on systems because systems win. Every day in the hospitality business, hundreds of micro decisions are made. How will the weather affect business today? How do we greet guests? How should that dish be plated? What amenities should we offer the honeymooners? Without systems, every one of those decisions becomes a coin toss. And when the pressure's on, coin tosses result in disaster. That's how good teams burn out. That's how guests fall through the cracks. A good system replaces 1,000 decisions. Think about it. A recipe sheet isn't just ingredients, it's clarity. A checklist isn't bureaucracy, it's consistency. A playbook isn't control, it's confidence. Systems remove stress. They don't kill creativity. They protect it. They let your team focus on people, not panic. Let's look at 2 reviews. The hotel looked great, but check-in felt chaotic. We waited 15 minutes before being greeted, and no one seemed to know our information, despite booking 3 months in advance. That's a system failure, not a people failure. Now, compared to this review, everything felt seamless. From the moment we arrived in a taxi, every touch point was thought through. You could tell the team was in sync. Warm greetings from the concierge. Check-in was welcoming and fast. We were then escorted to the most wonderful oceanfront room. Can't wait for the rest of our stay. That's not just great staff, that's great structure. Here's how to build system confidence into your venue. Systemize the menu. Create cheat sheets with concise dish descriptions. Role-play responses until servers can teach the menu blindfolded. Systemize the guest flow. Build step-by-step guides for table greetings, order pacing, and closing checks. Print it, laminate it, train it. Systemize recovery. Have a go-to plan for handling complaints, comps, and off-script requests. Turn mistakes into moments. Systemize the close. Use visual checklists for every department. A clean reset space sets the tone for tomorrow's success. In hospitality, systems aren't boring. They're beautiful. They free your team to deliver memorable service again and again. Want to build a smarter business, one system at a time? Subscribe to NVH for daily training insights, tools, and tactical videos that turn chaos into clarity. Hit play on the next video, and let's tighten up your floor, one system at a time.